going to college, and sometimes going over there and talking about all of these things would have been helpful, but I refrain from going that path. Okay, so when I speak in terms of your brains, it is for you to understand your power, your capacity, your capability, the ability to create that massive shift in who you are to where you want to be. Okay, now do you know that, give me limiting thoughts, give me your thoughts. What do you think about yourself right now?
I should write what I am resisting, right? Not what she is resisting.
You are asking her and she will ask you. So what she is resisting, you
figure out a solution, like which path I need to take, what exact thing I need to do. The second thing is struggling for the scaling of my revenue.
it's in that, and why do you think you're resisting it? Because of the past?
Births and experience of the past births.
Broadly, sometimes
Okay, I'm asking you the question, why are you resisting the divorce? What are you resisting then? Or even so small that it doesn't want you to do anything. So your Ichha Shakti, your Kriya Shakti and your Gyan Shakti, these are three things that I always tell people. Check where are you on your Ichha Shakti, Gyan Shakti and your Kriya Shakti. What knowledge do you have about that particular situation? Where are you going from there? Yeah. But don't make it like a fixation. Right? Alright, what else?
Flow, release, and flow.
Struggle.
Flow, release, and struggle is the alpha state. Beta is
No, struggle is the delta state.
delta. उसके बाद बीटा is the
Alpha state is the
beta is the struggle, alpha is the state of release.
release. And alpha is releasing nitric oxide.
I wanted to ask you, nitric oxide तो
Nitrous नहीं है वो, nitric है. Nitric oxide in the body helps you to really become calm. And if most of the time if nitric oxide is not there, then you are constantly in a state of cortisol. So our purpose is to be in the nitric oxide state. Somebody Google what's nitric oxide. Okay, Google. See what it's telling.
The second thing was pattern. For me, November, December is a big pattern. From 2010, yeah, 2005 onwards, like started right from.
It is a journey. We usually attach ourselves to the outcome and then we feel happy or unhappy based on the outcome.
Yeah, and that's a habit. And even I have to break that habit. I keep breaking myself from that habit. Keep thinking that this is the outcome and यही बस ultimate है. उसके बाद कुछ और अच्छा नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं, और वो जब नहीं होता है तो फिर बहुत दुखी.
हाँ, बहुत दुखी. And what happens is at times, that you're so fixated on getting that thing done with manifestation. At one point I had to unlearn. I said I don't want to do manifestations. I would want to rather keep that manifestation as whenever I wish I will do it. But what used to happen is I was so fixated on that manifestation that जब वो manifestation हो जाता था, I would not be happy and enjoying. I would be okay like now what's the next? And you're constantly living life on a like कि अगला क्या है? आगे क्या है? अगला क्या है? It's like your how do I put it? It's like a station.
It becomes like a race कि अब next कहाँ जाना है, next
कहाँ जाना है? ये जो बहुत सारा goal setting, goals ये करना है वो करना है, goals अच्छा है तुम रखो, because without desire, like I say, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. You need that Brahma, you need the Ichha Shakti. But without that Ichha Shakti, how are you going to function? But the Ichha Shakti shouldn't be so blown out of tired from the noise. Yeah? You look tired. And it is not your ownership and your responsibility to allow people to make that noise around you. Yeah? You are your own person, you are an own individual who's been through so much in life already, right? But you really love yourself. And you don't consider anything that you would have gone through as a problem. Right? Nothing is a problem for Bhuvana. When I communicate with her during our one-on-one session, she says, any problem? No problem. But I know how much is stuffed inside because when I look at you, I know how much is going on inside. Yeah.
Like I was telling even asked, no problem. Very happily, smiling, laughing always.
Correct.
Yesterday when we were chatting, I told him like my father on Friday just gave me a series of documents saying that all the assets, everything belongs to you.
Correct.
So I said I don't want.
And you've not, gotten anything for yourself. But after that, it became a benchmark. So for literally a year, it was only 2,000 rupees. Okay? And from there, then my spirit guided meditation, he would keep talking. So my spirit guide has done a lot of work on me, okay? But the beautiful thing was that, the attitude of a born trainer came from there. Because when I stood in front of people and I spoke, they said, Tarannum, from where do you get this wisdom? I said, I don't know from where it's coming from, but it's coming through me. So every time I would look, and I was 24, 25 at that time, and all of these messages were constantly coming. So for me, I've understood that the value of money was equivalent to your own self. How much you value your own identity is what you will ask for. Okay? So understand where you are coming from. What is behind that? So thank you for sharing that, and thank you for opening their eyes to it's such a powerful message. Thank you. Anything else? Bhuvana, you want to share the Bible when I was in the 10th standard? Okay? So I had this friend who was about to become a nun in 10th standard. She had a dysfunctional family. So मेरे friends भी ऐसे ही बनते थे. जितने भी friends आते थे, they would all be from the spiritual domain. By the time my father passed away, the entire burden of a court case also came on me. After the court case, I knew that this court case will be won at a particular time. But the mindset still remained. My father came from a very rich, super rich family. Okay? So there were times when I have seen crores of rupees coming in, and there are times when I have seen not even 1 rupee. So I've seen stark differences like mountain and valley. So nothing deters me. Today, if somebody says, "Na, Are Tarannum, what will happen without finance?" At what speed do you want? 100 kilometers per hour. You want, with time and speed, just an off thing that I get to know. When you sit in a train, when it moves,
Everything keeps looks like going back.
going back, right? It's not going back. It's
Yeah,
a perception.
True.
You are in the train.
Correct.
It's yes, though it's moving forward, but it just feels like everything speed, right? And at one point, if you notice that speed, you will start looking at it like a slow motion. And that slow motion is called retrograde for a planet. So imagine if that's happening here with the thoughts. If your thought is going at full velocity, full speed, what will happen? It's constant talks. When that is happening, you are going
At high speed.
at high speed and Vishnu. I had one cousin. poor girl lady, she died during COVID times. She used to talk. She used to be talking like, you know, the family, she would call and I would like, okay, what happened? I've not heard a single word from you because it used to sound like dish, 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 dish. That's what goes on in the mind constantly. And that is the root cause of all your issues because you're going in retrograde. Why my life is not going well? Why my life is not simple? Why I can't do this? Why is not money coming into my life? Why is not abundance happening in my life? Why is it that I'm not getting married? Why? Why? Tell me why. Who will give answer to this why? Tarannum.
Easiest way, na? Easiest
way, na? And then Tarannum is looking and she's looking and when she's looking at that person, she's like, oh my God. Because
Okay.
yeah, and then I'm looking and I'm looking. Okay, and that's my expression. Okay, when I'm going confusion, I can see confusion in the brain. I'm like, okay, oh, all right. What will happen? I will tell you. Wait. I will tell you what will happen. And then they will say, then I will give date. Okay. Then they will say, date happen in this date. Because you are going in retrograde. Wait, time is of essence. Why do you want all of this? Is the question. Why do you really want all of this? Why can't you just make peace with it? Make peace with the struggle. The moment you make peace with the struggle, you will not be in pieces. So every program that I tell you, and I'm going to repeat it 10 million times, the first step for anything is acceptance.